All new at 3, teaching kids about personal finance. The U.S. ranks 14 in the world in financial literacy, but here in Arizona, high school students are not required to take a personal finance course to graduate. Joining me now is Gregg Murset, the CEO of BusyKid. Greg, what is the BusyKid app?
BusyKid. Get kids busy learning about something that actually matters in life, which is money.
Yeah.
How you earn it and then how you manage it.
Yeah.
That's really what we've created, is a little ecosystem. I kind of like to, it's like reality before reality. Okay?
The pre-reality.
Pre-reality, so that they can understand how money works, so they don't trip on everything like we all do.
Okay, so you have 6 kids. You have 4
yes.
grandkids.
Yeah.
So you know a little bit about communicating with money with young ones. And what's your background in finance?
I'm a certified financial planner, have been for over 20 years.
Okay, so what can we be, how young do we start talking money with our kiddos?
You gotta teach them really young. I know this is crazy, but literally 5 or 6 years old, they're smart, they get it, and they like technology. So you put that into their hands and they really start to understand these basic concepts, and then they can get better at it as they get older.
So what kind of conversations are you having with them? You know, maybe preteen, teenager, they're about to start driving. What kind of conversations do you have then?
The conversation is, what is a balanced financial approach, okay? It's easy to earn it and burn it as fast as you can. You know, go to Chick-fil-A, go to In-N-Out, they're always eating and eating, right? But a balanced financial approach, earn some money and then save and invest a little bit, share a little bit, and then spend the rest.
Okay.
If you can do that every single time, you're going to be okay.
Are you teaching your kids how to invest?
Yes. I think the best way to teach kids how to invest is let them invest in something they think is kind of cool, okay? If they watch a lot of Netflix and they love movies, okay, great. Let's not only watch it, let's invest in it and understand how it goes up and down, and oh my goodness, what is a dividend? These kinds of basic fundamental things are really important, but if they like it, it's a lot easier to teach them.
What do you think we're missing? I mean, so many kids don't have a personal finance class. I don't think I took a personal finance class.
Does. Yeah.
I wish I had. And also learned how to invest as well at an early age. What are the key points that you want people to know?
Key points are, do it early, do it often, okay? If you can start investing, and you don't have to, you know, do a lot of money, but even, you know, when you're, depending on your age, but 25 bucks a week, 50 bucks a week, you start doing that earlier in your life, in your early 20s or something, boy, you push that out into retirement, that money grows, and it's a big amount of money.
Yeah.
So if you miss that boat early, it's hard to catch up.
Okay, start them as young as you can.
Yep.
Are you doing, I imagine as soon as the kids want an allowance, you know, that's the time to start talking about how you're going to spend this money. Do you have some place that you love to save and some place you love to splurge?
So I think the work-money connection is really important, and if you figure that out pretty early, they've got to understand that you've got to work to get the money, right? The places I like to, splurge is, kids like big trips, you know, they like to go do some fun stuff like that, activities that keep you together as a family, but also have some fun. Like, don't just indulge them all the time, but let them work up to that kind of thing. Hey, you want to bust out your chores, earn some money, then we can go to Six Flags or Disneyland, wherever. But let them like work for it a little bit in this world of immediate gratification.
It's easy, especially with
kind of
Instagram.
Rein that back a little bit.
Greg, it's great to see you. Thank you so much. I wish I'd met you in high school so I would, had better books.
There you go.
It's hard to clean them up, kids, so start early and do it well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you'd like to learn more about the BusyKid app, download our free AZ Family News app or head to azfamily.com. Click on the Seen on TV tab.